Going out to eat at a fine dining restaurant can be very expensive. So tonight we'll show you how to make a gourmet meal at home for 4 people under $20. We're making rosemary chicken. Pan-seared chicken breast, topped with a sauce made from blue cheese crumbles, heavy cream, and white wine. It's easy to make and full of amazing flavors. We're making rosemary chicken in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. Rosemary chicken. Thin sliced chicken breast, pan-seared in olive oil with a savory sauce made from shallots, garlic, white wine, chicken stock, heavy cream, and blue cheese crumbles. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is: for the chicken we'll need 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, and 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For the sauce we'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 chopped shallots, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, a cup of dry white wine, a cup of chicken stock, a half cup of heavy whipping cream, the juice of 1 fresh squeezed lemon, a half a cup of blue cheese crumbles, and 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. And for the garnish, we'll need freshly grated Parmesan cheese and some dried parsley flakes. Slice the chicken breasts into thin slices and season them with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning on both sides. Add a few tablespoons of olive oil to a large stainless steel pan and turn the heat to medium. Add the chicken into the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Flip the chicken over and cook another 3 to 4 minutes. Then place the chicken onto a clean plate and set it aside. To make our sauce, add in the 2 chopped shallots and saute for about 5 minutes. Then add in the chopped garlic and cook it only for a minute. Turn the heat up to high and add in the white wine, chicken stock, lemon juice, heavy cream, blue cheese crumbles, and the fresh rosemary. Allow the sauce to simmer and reduce for about 10 minutes while stirring and chopping up the blue cheese crumbles. You can also use gorgonzola cheese crumbles. They're both part of the blue cheese family. Add the chicken back into the sauce and stir it in. Turn off the heat, add in a few pieces of cold butter and stir them into the sauce, and you're ready to serve. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is! Rosemary chicken! An easy-to-make gourmet recipe made with shallots, garlic, white wine, chicken stock, heavy cream, blue cheese crumbles, and fresh rosemary. There's no need to go out to a fancy restaurant tonight. It's a taste of Italy in your own kitchen. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!